Yeah, what is this program, guys? For example, try with 1, 2, 3, 4. Try with 1, 2, 3, 4 also, guys. We take, yes, what is the program for this? Which program, guys? This is, we'll check it out. For example, 1, 2, 3, if I give, how it works. Yeah, guys, first n is 123. First it checks the 123, guys. 123 means true. ND plus plus. What is ND? Whenever it is true, it comes inside. N equals to n by 10, guys. 123 by 10. If you do 123 by 10, how it works, guys? 12 times. Then it is 120. Remainder is 3. N equals to n by 10. 12 it is. Yeah, again, it checks the condition. Now, what is the n value, guys? 12. ND plus plus. Next time, 2. N equals to n by 10. 12 by 10. Do it 10 by 10. One time, guys. Remainder is 2. Okay. We need what? Quotient. Now it takes 1. While of n. What is the n value, guys? 1. While of 1 is true. ND plus plus 3. Now n equals to n by 10. 1 by 10. Do it 1 by 10, guys. You do 1 by 10. 0 times 0. Then remainder is 1. Quotient is 0. Now this value, n value is 0. While 0, false, comes outside, print a percentile ND. What is ND value? 3. For example, if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, then answer will get 4. If you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, get answer is 5. Okay, this is a program. What is the program, guys? Number of digits in a given number. Number of digits in a given number. Okay, right, next one, guys. Example 2. Next one, guys. Complete sum equals to 0. What I am going to print? Sum equals to sum plus n percentile 10. Now we are going to print sum. Write this program and tell me answer for this. Yeah, guys. What is the answer, guys? This one. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 6 you will get, right? This is sum of reminders you are adding. Right? Then it adds the number, sum of digits, right? Yeah, what is the answer, guys? 6. We get sum is how much? 6. This program is, we are adding reminders. Sum of digits in a given number. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3 it adds. We are adding reminders. Reminders are nothing but a sum of digits. Guys, completed. Sum of even digits. First time reminder will add. What is the sum 0? First reminder is 3. Second reminder is 2. 3 plus 2. Third reminder is 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1. Yeah, if you enter from user also, that is a sum of n is 123. 1 plus 2 plus 3. For example, any number you can take, guys. If you take, then answer will get different, right? Guys, next one. Next one, guys. We following, guys. Reminders you are adding. Next one. Yeah, example 3, guys. Example 3. Guys, do step by step. Then you can understand. Okay. Guys, do it this. Print the reverse. What is the answer you will get? I will explain anyway. First write this and tell me answer, guys. Yeah, guys. We check it one by one.
వచ్చేసా.
Guys, see this. First n is 123, guys. Reverse is 0. Now n value is 123. Reverse equals to reverse into 0 into 10 plus first remainder is 3. Reverse first. Reverse into 10. Reverse into 10 first. 0 plus 3. Now 3 it takes. Next time what will happen? N equals to n by 10, that is 12. 12 not equals to 12 is what is 12, guys? True it is. 12 is true. Again reverse equals to reverse into 3 into 10. 3 into 10 plus next time remainder. What is the next time remainder? 2, guys. 3 into 10, 30. 30 plus 2, 32. Again, are you following, guys? 1 not equals to 0. 1 is not 0. Reverse equals to reverse into 10. 30 into 10 plus n percentile 10. 1 percentile 10. Remainder is 1. Okay. Now this is a 1 equals to 1 by 0 it is. 0 means it comes outside. What is the reverse value? 30 into 10. 320 plus 1. 321. Now finally what is the reverse value will be printed? 320, guys. Okay, do it step by step, guys. Then you can understand. Guys, next one. Guys, now I want sum of even digits. The given number. This is what, guys? Sum of digits in the given number. Guys, you try, guys. Next program. I want example 4. Sum of even digits in the given number. Yeah, you try this program. Guys, try this program as sum of even digits in a given number. For example, if you write 1, 2, 3, 4, answer expected is 6. 4 plus 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Expected, that is the answer. You know, guys, how to get the digits. Get the digits. If they are even numbers, then add them. Yeah, good. If it is even number, you can add them, guys, right? Simple for this program. What to do? Reminder separately find out. You can take reminder. See this. N equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. You can take reminder also here. If it is a reminder, add to sum. Sum equals to sum plus R. What is R, guys? Reminder. How to get the reminder, guys? R equals to n percentile 10. Reminders are nothing but the digits. If R is even, percentile 2 equals to 0, then we can add to sum, guys. This is a program. If it is even, add then. Just if there is no statement, this all numbers it adds. Right? This is a sum. This is a sum of even digits of the given number. Okay, simple, guys. Nothing. While no. If you write inside while, that is a you are checking number, no. You have to check the digits. For example, 1, 2, 3 figure. 1, 2, 3 is a false, no. 1, 2, 3 is not even number. First itself 1, 2, 3 only it will stop that loop.
Inside while, sir, not.
Inside while only. Inside, okay. If
Yes, sir. Inside while if we use it.
in if condition R percentile 2, here you can check it. Here you are asking here.
No, sir. After while loop, again inside that if.
Can you tell
Yes,
me
sir. Same. Yes, sir.
here? N you are why do you check N? Hmm? You need digits, no. Sum of digits, no. For example, 1, 2, 3, if you check here, if you check 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 is not even number. No. N percentile, if you check N percentile, 1, 2, 3 is not even number. It won't execute. You want only digits, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4 you want. Digits, you have to get the first digit, 4 you will get. Next time, 3 you will get. 3 is not even, it won't add. Next time digit you will get 2. 2 is even, it will add. Next time 1 is a digit. 1 is not even, it won't add. Tuljesh, what happened? Which statement wrong? Completed? 10 percentile 10 No, that is not correct. No. Full J's. What is the meaning of this? N% and 10. What is this? It is divisible by 0, sum equals to sum plus n. Sum of even digits in the given number. So this reminders, get the reminders. Reminders are nothing but digits. Get the digits, then add those digits when they are even numbers. Sum equals to sum plus n. Guys, complete. Next program. Yeah, we check with for loop guys. After that, next we discuss different programs. For loop guys, write a for loop. Yeah, what is for loop guys? Syntax for loop. You can write the syntax is this. These are the steps guys where it goes. Here expression 1 semicolon, expression 2 semicolon and expression 3. Right? Now right here expression 1 comma, expression 2 comma, expression 3 are optional. Okay. In while expression 1 and expression 3 are optional, but expression 2 is mandatory. Here expression 1 and expression 2, the expression 3 are also optional. What is the meaning of that? Guys, expression 2 and expression 3 are optional. Yeah, what is first? It goes to expression 1, guys. Write this program. First expression 1, I equals to 1. Next, it checks the condition. I less than or equals to 5. First program, guys. 1, see this, I equals to 1, 1 less than or equals to 5. Comes inside, guys. Print I value. It prints I value is 1. See this, after printing, where it goes, guys? I plus plus. Goes to I plus plus, guys. Now I plus plus is 2. Next, it checks the condition. 2 less than or equals to 5. Then I value will be printed 2. Again guys, again I plus plus 3. 3 less than or equals to 5. 3 will be printed. Again I plus plus 4. 4 less than or equals to 5. 4 will be printed. Again I plus plus 5. 5 less than or equals to 5. 5 will be printed. Again I plus plus 6. 6 less than or equals to 5. False, it comes outside. And answer is what guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, that output is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the answer. Write the first one, second arm, guys. I will show you the outputs also. See this. Did they inform MNBVCX? Did they inform to you exam will be there? I will ask, I will confirm to you now itself. Okay, wait a minute. See, by the completion time, I will tell you. Okay, see guys, program execution always starts from main. Take I value, guys. Now I want to take I value. Declare first I. This is int I, guys. For I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 5, I plus plus. Sleep 1 second delay it gives. Sleep 1 second delay. Print the value of I. I am going to print the value. Print of next line. I am going to print the percentile d comma I value. See this. Get ch close. Okay. See this. Now what it prints, guys? I value. It prints 1, 2, right? See this. Now 1 to 5 will be printed. Okay. Now it is printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Yeah, guys, write this. I will find out and I will tell you. Okay. Yeah, see, is there exam Sunday for these batches? Guys, if exam is there, they will intimate to you in the group. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Now what is the answer, guys? 1 to 5, guys. This answer is 1 to 5. Now next question, guys. See this. Tell me answer for this case. I plus plus and one more I plus plus. Right. Next one, guys. I less than or equals to 10. Write this and tell me answer for this.
వస్తలేదా వైఫై
3 hours పడుతుంది అంటారు టైం
దేనికి ఏమైంది అక్కడ
దానికి ఏమైందంటే 3 hours పడుతుంది
Guys, next one. 2.811. Why you are getting different answers, guys? Person to person. 2.811. Huh? Yeah, then answer is, we check it. See, guys, first I is 1. Then it checks the condition. 1 less than or equals to 10. I plus plus 2. 2 will be printed. Again, I plus plus 3. Again, it checks I plus plus 4. 4 less than or equals to 10. Comes inside. I plus plus 5. 5 will be printed. Again, I plus plus 6. Again, I plus plus 7. 7 less than or equals to 10. It comes inside. I plus plus 8. 8 will be printed. Again, I plus plus 9. Again, I plus plus 10. 10 less than or equals to 10. It comes inside. Again, I plus plus 11. 11 will be printed. Again, I plus plus 12. Again, I plus plus 13. 13 less than or equals to 10. False, it comes outside. Answer is what, guys? 25811 is the answer. This is the answer. Okay? Clear, guys? Next example. Next example. See this, guys. I equals 1, I less than or equals to 10. Next one, guys. See this. Guys, write this and tell me answer for this. Seven or 6, guys? 7, huh? We check it, guys. I is 1, 1 less than or equals to 5. I equals to 1, 1 less than or equals to 5. True. It comes inside I plus plus. What is I plus plus, guys? 2. Again, I plus plus 3. 3 less than or equals to 5. Again, I plus plus 4. Again, I plus plus 5. 5 less than or equals to 5. It comes inside. 6 here. Again, I plus plus 7. Nothing to print, guys. It is outside is there. 7 less than or equals to 5. It comes outside. I value will be printed 7. What is the reason, guys? It is outside statement. Only one time will be printed. Only one time will be printed. 7 is the answer, guys. See this? Okay, now next one more statement, guys. Right, again, write I plus plus. Tell me output for this. 7, not 6. Okay. Again, I plus plus I have written, guys. Tell me output for that. I is 1. 1 less than or equals to 5. I plus plus 2. Again I plus plus 3. Again I plus plus 4. 4 less than or equals to 5. Again I plus plus 5. Again I plus plus 6. Again I plus plus 7. 7 less than or equals to 5. False. It comes outside. I value will be printed 7. Okay. Next one, guys. Yeah. Can I write semicolon for this, guys? Now I am going to write semicolon series. Now I have written semicolon, guys. Write this and tell me answer for this. Is it valid or error? Can you write semicolon? Yeah, Chandru, very good. Invalid, Pranati? Yeah, semicolon already with the if I told you, right? Valid loop won't be executed. Then what is the answer, Sumit? Infinite loop. Neha. Yeah, guys, what is semicolon means? Semicolon means terminator, guys. Means what? No statements for if. For. That is the meaning. It considers like this. No statements for. Now what will happen, guys? I is 1. I less than or equals to 5. No statements, guys. No statements to print. Again, I plus plus. What is I plus plus, guys? 2. 2 less than or equals to 5. No statements to print. 3. 3 less than or equals to 5. No statements to print. Okay. 4. 4 less than or equals to 5. No statements to print. 5. 5 less than or equals to 5. No statements to print. Again, I plus plus 6. 6 less than or equals to 5. False. Whenever it false, it comes outside. This is a local block, guys. Local block will be executed always. Then answer is how much, guys? Then it is 6, guys. Okay. The answer is 6. Here, if you write semicolon also, that means this is a local block. No statements for this. The answer is 6. Clear? The next one, guys. For example, there is no condition now, guys. Tell me answer for this. There is no condition. What is the meaning? Yeah. If there is no condition, guys, then it is called infinite loop, guys. This is infinite loop. Yeah. Always true. If there is no condition, that means always true, guys. Then answer is what? See, like 1, it consider as 1, guys. Series. So infinite loop, guys. Plus 32,000. It is the limit we have taken, right? 0 to 32,767. After that, again, negative values. Minus 32 to 0. Okay, no? This is infinite loop, guys. Now, if I write I, guys, what is I? Now, is it valid or not, guys? Now, I am writing like this. Tell me, is it infinite loop or not? Next one, guys. If I write I. Yeah, stop will be there. Now, just I modified I, guys. We check it, the stop is there or not. Negative values, whenever it gets a 0, see this. Minus 1, whenever it is getting minus 1, 0. After 0, it stops the loop. At 0, it stops this loop. Yes, guys. Good. Clear? Yeah, next one, guys. Now, if you write it's not infinite loop, guys, write that next one also. Clear, guys? Are you writing? I equals to 1, j equals to 1, guys. Next one. I less than or equals to 5, j less than or equals to 10. Right? Next one, guys. I plus plus, comma, j plus plus. Semicolon I have written. Printf percentile d, I comma j values I am writing. I comma j. Semicolon I have written. Tell me answer for this. Chandru, one check it. Semicolon is there. Yeah, guys. Semicolon means what I told. Complete writing. Nikhil, how can first you told correct only, man? Why did you change again option? If there is no semicolon means, guys, this is a no statements, right? Semicolon I kept that. This is outside statement. Okay, now I is how much? 1j. Here semicolon is separator. Here semicolon is separator. In this case, it is opposite. Because of that position, it works. Location, because of that location. Condition, no? Condition. When it is a condition position, it checks the operator. Why it checks there itself condition, guys? మీరు కామా రాస్తున్నారంటే మీనింగ్ what is the meaning, guys? మీరు two conditions రాయాలనుకున్నారు అనుకోండి. For example, if you want to write two conditions and logical and should be there, but there is no logical and or, then it consider you want to write only one condition. That is the meaning. Then it acts as a comma as an operator. Here, this is not operator, no? Here separator. Can I take two values initialization? Yes. We can take two initializations. Can I take two increments here? Yes. Can I take two conditions here? No, you can't take two conditions. If you want to take two conditions, and should be there or either and or logical or operator should be there. If there is nothing, then it consider as what, guys? Clear up? Then it consider as you don't want to write that statement. That is the meaning. Clear? Then which condition it takes? Comma operator takes the right condition. Yesterday I told you this program. I is 1, j is 1. 1 less than or equals to 10. I plus plus 2, j plus plus 2. Again 2 less than or equals to 10. Again I plus plus 3, j plus plus 3. J less than 3 less than or equals to 10. 4 and 4. 4 less than or equals to 10. Till 10 it goes. 10 and 10. 10 less than or equals to 10. It comes again I plus plus 11. J value also 11. 11 less than or equals to 10. It comes outside. I and j values 11 and 11 is the answer. Yeah, if you write semicolon also same answer. Because it's outside statement. Semicolon you are using, no? That is outside statement. Clear this one? అర్థమైంది ఇక్కడే ఎందుకు ఆపరేటర్ లాగా వర్క్ అవుతుంది. వై ఇట్ యాక్ట్ యాజ్ ఓన్లీ ఇయర్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఆపరేటర్. Initialization, this position is initialization. We can write two values, then separator. Can I this is increment decrement position. We can increment more than any value. Condition, but if you want to write more than one condition, logical, to combine more than one operator of conditions, logical operator should be there. There is no logical and logical are, that means you want to write one condition, then comma act as a operator there. Based upon position, it acts as, that is based upon right experience, you will get that value, right? Either it is operator or clear, guys. This one next. My question is next one is clear. This one next. Guys, without this, can I write like this? Is it valid or not? There is no condition. There is nothing. Now I value, can I take I value is 1? Okay, no? Now I'm going to print the statement. Print the statement also. Printf /n percentile d I. Can I write I plus plus? Now is it valid or not, guys? Yeah, Chandru, good. Guys, tell me output for this. Optional, right? Now what is the answer for this, guys? Then infinite loop. There is no condition, it's an infinite loop. There is no increment. Here it is there, no problem, guys. Now infinite loop, one check it. No stop condition. It will execute till condition false. Guys, completed, huh? Next one, guys. Clear, right? This is infinite loop. Now my next question is, now I am writing I equals to 1 plus sign. Here also I am writing plus sign. I less than or equals to 5. Guys, next one. Write this. Is it valid or not? Yeah, guys. Is it true or false? Can I write condition here? Guys, that is not condition checking. This is a position to check the condition. Okay, no? If you write condition here, that is considered as a dummy statement. Okay? ఇక్కడ మాత్రమే చెక్ చేసి ఇక్కడ ఏం రాసామో అది మాత్రమే చెక్ చేసి ఫస్ట్ I is 1 plus I 2 here. Now plus I 3 here. 3 it checks. Now I value 3 will be printed. But I less than or equals to 5. It won't check the condition here. Okay, now Here only it checks the condition. Plus plus I 4. 4 means true. 4 will be printed. Nothing. 5, 6. Now what it means, guys? 3, 4, 5, 6. Whenever it reaches to 0, it stops this. This statement is called dummy statement. Dummy. Okay? No use of those statements, guys. Whenever it reaches to 0, it stops the loop. Now it reached to loop 0, stopped this loop. Clear? Don't think here only you should write, right? This is a condition place. If you write I less than or equals to 5, it's not error. Okay, dummy. That is dummy statement. It won't check there. Clear? Next one, guys. It follows that flow. That's all. Condition checking. Ikkada maatrame condition check this. Next one, guys. Now see this. Printf of 1. Now next statement, guys. Printf of 2. While writing printf of 2, not printf I am writing. Next statement is what? Printf of 3. Printf of 1, printf of 2, and printf of 3. This statement is what? Hello. Now I want to print hello, guys. Guys, tell me output for this. Write this. Is it valid or not? If it is valid, what is the output? Guys, what is the output, guys? 1, 2. First, where it goes, guys? 1 will be printed. Printf of 2. Length. What is the length, guys? 1. Not 1 means 0, false. 2 will be printed. The 0 false, no, it comes outside. then answer is only 1, 2 is the answer. For example, if there is no not, always true it is, infinite times will be printed. Okay, because it's true, right? Now then answer is, it prints 1, 2, right? See this, hello 1, 2 something, it will be printed. Hello 3, 2, sorry. Because always condition true, right? Then hello 3, 2. The output is an infinite loop, guys. First, forget about guys. For loop, it will do that functionality. The one rasam, this is a, it takes printf takes 1. 1 will be printed. 1 will be printed. This length it takes. What is the length? 1. For example, it considers like this, guys. Simply see this. If you write like this, what happens, guys? For you are writing 1 semicolon again 1, right? Again 1. This is it considers, guys. Printf hello. We are writing like this, right? This is 1 means first time it will come here. 1 means true. Hello will be printed. Again, what is there here? 3. 3 will be printed. What is there here? 2 will be printed. But those values it considers. Length. It takes the length, guys. It takes this length. Okay, no? Then infinite times this loop will execute. Hello 3 2, hello 3 2, right?
హలో మీ ఫోన్ వస్తుంది మమ్మీ.
Guys, completed, huh? Guys, completed, huh? There are next one, guys. Break continue, right? Clear, huh? Next one, guys. Break. break. It stops the loop execution. Stops the loop execution. Can be used in while, do while, for, right, and switch. Next, break continue, guys. What is continue? It skips the iteration. Skips the iteration. Can be used in, it can be used in while, do while, for. Return, guys. What is return? Return stops the function execution. Return stops the function execution. It can, where we can write, guys, return should be at end of the function. Return should be at end of the function. Yeah, next one, guys, exit. What is exit, guys? Exit of 0 or -1 we write. This is a function. It stops the program execution. Stops the program execution. We can place anywhere in the program. We can place anywhere in the program. Stops the program execution. Okay. Guys, write this. We discuss about this. Right, guys, first.
చేసి మాట్లాడే చెప్పాను కదా నాకు ఇంకా సరే ఇప్పుడు డాడీ ఎవరు ఫేస్బుక్ తీసుకొచ్చి పెట్టు ఫస్ట్ నీకు ఇది అర్థమైతే అది అర్థమవుతుంది
Completed. Guys, break and continue. We check the break and continue. Yeah, next one, guys. See this. What is break? What is continue? Break stops the loop execution. Right? See once. I will write a break and continue example. See this, guys. Now I am going to print break and continue. See this, guys. We write some examples on this. I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 10, I plus plus. Okay. Now I want to print. Yes, Siddharth. How many times you want me to make? See this, guys. Printf, I am going to print the values here. Slash and %d I value. Now 1 to 10 will be printed, guys. This answer is 1 to 10. Yeah, what is break, guys? Write this. If I equals to 3, then break. Yeah, what is the output, guys? 1 will be printed, 2 will be printed. Whenever it is 3, break. Then 1, 2 is the answer, guys. Yeah, write this example first. Guys, what is the output, guys? 1, 2 is the answer, right? Yeah, continue means, guys. What is continue? Wait a minute. Don't write. If it is 3, guys, it skips that. 1 will be printed. 2 will be printed. Whenever I equals to 3, continue. It skips the below statement. Except 3, it prints all the numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. For example, I want to miss one more number also, 5 also. Or see this, 4 also. I want to miss 4 also. Now what do it prints, guys? See this. If 3, 4, then it skips the statements. 1, 2, there is no 3, 4, guys. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Then write this program. Continue. Guys, remember, below statements it skips, not above statements. Remember that point. Yeah, next example. First write this. 1, 3, 4 missing. Remaining statements it print 1 to 10. Guys, completed, huh? Yeah, guys, last 15 minutes we write one small test. I will conduct here itself. Yeah, guys, write this, complete this one. Now 3, 4, except 3, 4, it prints the output, right? Next one, guys. Now write this next one, guys. Next example, except 3, 4, it prints all the statements. I less than or equals to 5. Yeah, write this next one. Guys, write this and tell me output for this. Guys, tell me answer for this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Very good. Your answer is guys 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because 1 less than or equals to 5, continue. 2 less than or equals to 5, continue. 3 less than or equals to 5, continue. 4 less than or equals to 5, 5 less than or equals to 5, continue. Right? 6 less than or equals to 5, no continue. Remaining statements will be printed. Okay, next question. Let's see this. Yeah, write this. Tell me output, guys. Guys, tell me outputs for that. Yeah, 6 is the answer, guys. Whenever 1 less than or equals to 5, continue. 2 less than or equals to 5, continue. 3, continue. 4, continue. 5, continue. Whenever it is 6, break. It comes outside. I value will be printed, guys. And I value is 6. 6 is the answer. Okay, now? This is continue, guys. Clear, right? Yeah, next statement, guys. Next statement. What is the next statement? See this. Clear? Now I am going to print one more statement, guys. See this. Int I value is I less than or equals to 5. Or 3. 3 times I want to execute. Yeah. Continue. A plus plus. Now what is A value, guys? Initially, A value is 0. Guys, write this. A value are printing, guys. Yeah, Chandru, good. Rohit, Sanjay, Nikhil. Tuljesh. Guys, how many times A plus plus incremented? That is a question, guys. How many times you'll increment? Continue statement is there. What is a continue? It ignores the statement. 3 times this loop will execute. But A value is how much, guys? A value is 0 only. It won't increment. A value is 0. That is a question. Clear? Because continue statement is there. What is a continue statement? It ignores that. That is skips that. Okay. Then answer is what? A value is 0. Next one. Write first this. Guys, completed. Next one. See this next one, guys. This value is clear. Now I want to write. See this, guys. Break here. A plus plus and one more time A plus plus. Now percentile A comma I values. A and I values we are printing both. One. Yeah, we check it. Is it 1 or any other number? Let's write first. Yeah, 1 1 is the answer, right? Very good. Completed writing, right? The answer is 1 1. Yeah, guys, good. Next one. Can I write float values for loop, guys? Last two. See this. Float. I will take float I equals to 1.1. Float I equals to 1.1. Guys, see this. My question is, we are going to print I is 1.1, I less than 5.5, I plus plus. Come outside and print percentile f I value. Let's write this output. Tell me output, guys. Neha. Yeah, Neha. Okay, Neha. We have written like this, right? Int I equals to I and a equals to 0. See this. For I have written I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 3, I have written I plus plus. Okay, this is, we are writing a plus plus first I have written. Break also I have written. Break, continue also I have written. Again, incrementation of a. 2 times a plus plus I have written. Come outside and print a and I values, right? Print a percentile a comma I values. Yeah, see this. First a is 0, right? I value 1. 1 less than or equals to 3. Comes here a plus plus. What is a plus plus? 1. Break is there. What is break? It comes outside directly. Stop this. A and I value. What is A? A is 1. What is I? 1. So 1 and 1 is the answer. Okay, now? Yeah, guys, tell me output for this. Can you increment float value? I plus plus. What is meant by I plus plus? Can you increment float value? Yes. Yeah, what is the answer for this? 5.1 or 6.1, Chandru? 5.1. Or 6.1. Check Chandru once. First 1.1, guys. 1.1 less than 5.5. Next 2.1. 1.0 it will add, guys. 1.0 it will add 2.1. 2.1 less than 5.5. 3.1. 3.1 less than 5.5. 4.1. 5.1. 5.1 less than 5.5. Again 6.1. 6.1 less than 5.5. False. It comes outside. 6.100 will be printed. 6.100. That is valid. Okay, because 6 values will be printed. Next one. Completed. Yeah, guys, I will give some examples. Tell me answers for them. Okay, see, first question I will give. Some questions, guys. First question I am going to give. First question, guys. Wait a minute, guys. I will show you. Yeah, I collected a lot of material from all websites, guys, right? almost there is no question missing. Okay, but there is no students to understand this question, these many questions. Students are not ready nowadays. They are not. They want instance everything, instant. They don't want to spend time much. You one question. This one, guys. I will show you options also, guys. Guys, take time and do it. Okay. No problem. We have another 15 minutes. Guys, try this question. Tell me answer for this question, guys. Write the question and tell me output. Siddharth, why do you unmute, man, every time? Sai Siddharth.
Compilation error.
Guys, completed, huh? Guys, what is the answer you got? $250, Mahesh. Yeah. -6. Siddharth. Did you execute and show the output? Guys, don't execute and tell. Okay, don't execute and tell. Do it on the paper and tell. Yeah, this is 250, right? Character range, you know, guys, this is minus 128 to plus 127. 0 is here. Yeah, how much it is exceeding? Do it first. 250. Okay, no? You can do later also this one. You got Mahesh, that is also correct answer, but while printing you get wrong answer, right? See this, 250, 127. How much it is exceeding? 10, right? This is 10, 7, 3, 4, 2. True it is. Now this value is how much? 1. 123. You have to subtract. N is exceeding n minus 1. You have to subtract. 122. You have to subtract. Subtract 122. You get minus 6. Initial this value is minus 6, guys. If you take a 250 also, then it is a minus 6. This is I value, guys. This I value is minus 6. Listen carefully. Now, first which one will be executed? This value not a 0, right? Anyway, this value is 0. Here only this one, it changes the a value, right? Plus plus a. Now this value is minus 5. This is minus 5, guys. This is a minus 5. It won't change the value of this. Plus negation of a. What is the negation of a, guys? Add 1 and change the 6. Add 1 and change the 6. Plus 6. Add 1. Plus 4. Add 1 means plus 4. Plus a value. What is a value, guys? Minus 5. This is a minus 5, minus 5. This is 0 anyway. Minus 10 plus 6. Minus 10 plus 4. Minus 6 is the answer. Now answer is, guys, minus 6. It's a minus 6, guys. That is, I told you, right? Character range is what? Minus 128 to plus 127. Minus 128 to plus 127. That's why we get the wrong answer, right? That is, it converts to that range. Yeah, this value initially minus 6, guys. I told you, right? Integer range is minus 128 to plus 127. This is a minus 6. This is a minus 6. Now, in each position, a value will be changed, guys. This is first thing. All are same time, guys. Same time, those will be executed. Yes or no? Preference is a bitwise operator. These all are, binary operator. Unary operator. It will execute always. First this one, 0 anyway. Negation of, if it is execute this one or this one. This won't change the value of a. Minus 6. Are you following, guys? First plus plus a will increment. Plus plus a. What is plus plus a? Minus 5. Okay, no? Minus 5. Then this value is the negation of a is plus 4. It takes 4. Total value we write. This value is how much? Minus 5 plus a value is there, no? A value is how much? Minus 5 again. Minus 5, minus 10 plus 4. Minus 6 is the answer. Which option is correct? Minus 6. We can execute and check it, guys. Okay. Yeah, that's all, guys, today. I have shared the document, guys, to you. We have this kind of questions, many are there. We can observe this. This is also important. This is also a different question. Okay, now try this one also, guys. Take photograph and do it, guys. Do it this also. Take photograph and try. We have different questions like this. Yeah, I told you, right? They will inform to you MNB VCX. Okay. They will inform in the group. I think most probably next week they'll connect. Okay, they will inform anyway. If you have an exam tomorrow, we'll get that information in the group. Okay, now? Guys, that's all, guys. Thank you for your patience. Thank you, MNB VCX. Guys, that's all. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Others can leave. Okay, if you don't have any doubts. Shavya, thank you, Shavya. Chandrudu. Thank you. Try this question, guys. Don't forget. Okay. Yeah, can I leave the session, guys? Nitin, I have given my number, man. I have shared with somebody. Okay, you take care of this document. Share in the group. Okay, Nitin. Omar, once I will forward again. Okay. Did you attend that session while session? Omar. Okay. Once if you have any, ask in that message, right? I will arrange for you something video, right? Those questions again I will provide. Omar. Are you from which background, Omar? IT. Okay. Okay. No problem. Share. I will share that document. Thank you, guys.